In your health news, sweeping healthcare legislation that will dramatically change your coverage forever. A vote is scheduled for tomorrow morning, and Senate Democrats say they have the 60 votes for final passage. It will clear the way for talks with the House on a final compromise. Predictably, Democrats love it, Republicans do not.
A straight partisan bill that's this important, and you know it's a lousy bill. And I can tell you, this is one lousy bill. They can be very proud of what they've done, except that what they've done could wreck our country. And I think we've got to all stand up and start letting them hear from us.
I see it as 60 leaders who know it's long past time we declare health care a right and not a privilege. I see it as 60 leaders who refuse to let fear overwhelm the facts.
The president today vowed to sign the bill if it can be reconciled with a House bill, even though it does not contain a public option for health insurance.
Passage of the health care bill to this point required the support of 60 U.S. senators, and winning the support of Nebraska Senator Ben Nelson required provisions to exempt Nebraska from higher Medicaid reimbursements. Among those who say that is not fair, Texas Attorney General Greg Abbott. Abbott is one of 7 attorneys general who say the deal for Nebraska is unconstitutional. Abbott says more states could join the fight later.
They greeted holiday shoppers dressed the way they believe America's injured and indigent will look should health care legislation pass. Southeast Texas Tea Party members say the proposed health care plan is corrupt, with senators putting themselves before the interests of the country. The Senate's health care reform bill is on the fast track to a final vote tomorrow morning. But even if it passes, it has to be meshed with the House's version, which could be a difficult task.
And it still has to go back before the House, back before the Senate, and the two of them have to come to agreements on how this final bill will read, and they'll need to agree on it. So we want people to be aware the process is not over.
Tea Party members say demonstrations like these are an effort to encourage voter education.
Time for sports.